Welcome to a world of warmth, comfort, and health, brought to you by the humble ginger tea. Immerse yourself in the rich aroma of this soothing beverage. Feel its comforting warmth seep into your being. Ginger tea is a versatile delight, a cozy companion on chilly days, and a natural remedy for various ailments. From soothing digestion to boosting immunity, it's an age-old elixir that never loses its charm. Whether you're seeking a soothing drink or a health-boosting elixir, ginger tea is your perfect companion. Now, indulge in the intoxicating process of preparing ginger tea from fresh ginger root. The journey begins with selecting a piece of fresh ginger root, firm to the touch and bursting with vitality. This root, treasured for its medicinal properties, will soon transform into your cup of warming elixir. Next, we peel the ginger to expose the fibrous core, which is where all the magic lies. The aroma begins to unfold, a tantalizing preview of the taste to come. Now, we slice the ginger, a crucial step that releases the root's potent compounds, particularly gingerol, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. We then steep these slices in boiling water, a process that extracts the ginger's essence, allowing it to infuse the water with its robust flavor and healing properties. Patience is key here. The longer the ginger steeps, the stronger the flavor and the richer the benefits. Finally, we strain the tea into a cup, separating the infused liquid from the ginger slices. This final step reveals a tea that is not just a beverage, but a blend of tradition, comfort, and wellness. You can enjoy it as is, or you can personalize it. Add a squeeze of lemon for a vitamin C boost, a dash of turmeric for an extra anti-inflammatory punch, or a spoonful of honey for a natural sweetener that soothes the throat. And there you have it, a freshly brewed cup of ginger tea, radiating warmth and health. But the allure of ginger tea goes beyond its comforting warmth and aromatic spices. This humble brew is celebrated for its array of health benefits, making it a versatile addition to any wellness routine. Renowned for its digestive aid properties, ginger tea can alleviate indigestion, bloating, and stomach discomfort. Its potent anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a bioactive compound called gingerol, may help reduce inflammation in the body. Adding to its versatility, ginger tea is a natural remedy for nausea, making it a trusted companion during motion sickness, morning sickness, or general queasiness. It's also a champion for the immune system, with antioxidants that help strengthen our natural defenses, particularly during cold and flu season. But that's not all. Ginger tea is also believed to aid in weight management, support respiratory health, and even contribute to heart health. So the next time you need comfort, health, or relaxation, remember the humble yet potent ginger tea. Savor its warmth, relish its flavor, and embrace its remarkable benefits.